Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Looney back with another video. We're going to dive into option trading horror stories. So that's my biggest mistakes and what they taught me. Let's jump in. First of all, I do want to just say options isn't just about profits and smooth sailing. It can be brutal. There are risks. And one of my worst mistakes is listening to others without trusting my own research. So I'm going to show you guys an example. It's this U position. And I still don't really know much about this company. I didn't do any research. I simply just got into this option trade because I had some extra money and I lost the trade. So I bought a call, $31, and it expired worthless. So I lost it. Not a big loss, but it is a loss. So that is one of my mistakes. Another mistake was Hut. And Hut is trading at $28 now. So I would have made a lot of money off this trade. But when I first had the trade, my person I was speaking to, they recommended to look into this, and it was a $1,200 call or a $5 call, and it cost $1,200. And I exited on an earlier date, and I think I exited for $425. So I was down $800 on this trade, so that's definitely a big hit. And if I just held it, I think it was expiring in January, so I would have made a lot of money on this trade. So the lesson learned in this is just always do your own research and just trust and just kind of stick to your plan. If I just held out on that trade, I would have made a lot of money. And even with you, I was thinking about selling off early to just cut my losses, but I didn't. I didn't trust my own gut, which I should have. But I'm glad I learned this early. Luckily, my account is at 52% over all time, so I'm doing in a good spot. Obviously, I have a lot more right now, but I'm very comfortable where I am. And also, I do have a Discord. There's a free Discord and a paid Discord. Links in the description. You could join. The free chats are very welcoming, and then the paid chats are a little bit more perks. You get courses. You get one-on-one coaching. You get premium chats and trade callouts and some voice chats. So all there. Check it out. Okay, so the next one is not being patient. Very similar to my Hut trade, but these are ones that I used to jump into trades without waiting for the right setup. And I would see a stock moving, and I would need to get in before I miss out. And that was a lot with my put options and my call options. I've gotten assigned at levels that I'm not really proud of, but I am working with it, like Mara. I don't know if it's glitched or not, but I think I got it at $18 or $17 when I should have got it at $15, just waiting just like a week or two. But I got greedy, so I was doing this. And that goes into my next mistake, getting greedy with covered calls. I've been rolling calls now, so that is how I got punished. I've been rolling. So I've been rolling calls for net debits because the stocks have been climbing fast, and I didn't want to miss out. Riot has gone up 64%, and I'm trying to catch up by rolling my covered calls. So I knew crypto was going to rise because of the halving and just all the external events. So I'm heavily invested in crypto, my all-time 83%. I've been doing it since about 2 years, maybe a little bit less than 2 years. And I called it, but I underestimated how quickly it would climb. So instead of managing my call strategically and maybe just waiting it out, I tried to chase every little gain. And the takeaway here is that greed can make you blind instead of protecting gains. I ended up over leveraging, and I'm now paying the price. But hopefully I am going to catch up soon. This one is very close. Hopefully next one I will be up to 12.5. And yeah, I'll be in a lot better spot with this position. Other ones I don't know because I haven't looked at all of them, but this is one that's expiring the most soon. Okay, so what did I learn from these trades? Patience and discipline is everything. Stick to your plan and don't chase any shiny distraction. Next is greed kills. It's better to take a smaller, consistent win than just blowing up your account for a big payout. Last is hedging is your friend. I've always hedged, but now I understand how important it is. Options are tools. They're not magic money machines. Use them wisely, especially in volatile markets. If you ever had your own trading horror story, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you've learned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my Discord for more trading tips, live alerts, and coaching. Let's keep growing, learning, and stacking those premiums without the horror stories. Peace.